In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a PlayStation 5 controller to an iPhone using Bluetooth. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to get our PlayStation controller in Bluetooth mode. So to do that, you want to press on these two buttons. So you want to press on this button over here and this one, the PlayStation 5 logo, at the same time. And you actually want to hold them. So make sure to go ahead and hold them just like so and do it for a couple seconds. And then afterwards, you will notice that the light will begin flashing. And when you notice that the light is flashing, that is how you know that it is in Bluetooth mode. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and take our iPhone. And then what we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on settings just like so. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look up Bluetooth. So go ahead, search that in, and then there's Bluetooth. So you want to double check that Bluetooth is turned on. So yep, in our instance, it is turned on, so we are good to go. And then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and wait for it to scan the nearby devices near you. All right, then afterwards, you should see an option that says DualSense wireless controller. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it just like so. Then it is going to say connected. And then from there, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and load into your game and have fun. You're able to tell that it is working because the color of the controller is going to change orange. Also, I apologize for that little camera icon. That means my camera is in low battery, but thankfully we were able to finish the tutorial. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.